Welcome back to the Aussie Prepper channel, and today we will be having a look at a product that I have recently purchased for use down the rifle range, but there's a lot of other uses for it as well. So let's have a look what I ended up with after a lot of research, which was balancing price and value for money and does it do the job. So let's have a look at what I bought and how well it works. I have picked myself up the spotting scope and I've decided on the Bushnell XTreme, and this is it here. Okay, this is how it comes boxed up. This is how it got delivered. I bought this online off eBay. Now this has a 20-60 by magnification and it's got a 65mm objective. And it also does come with a little stand and the case that you can see there that it comes in. So let's just get it out of the box. There's the case. That's how it comes in a little hard case, which was a good selling factor for me because these hard cases are worth quite a few dollars in Australia. I'm not sure how much they are overseas, but we'd be paying anywhere from $50 to $100 just for the hard case. And I like the fact that this is likely purpose built for the spotting scope. So let's open up the hard case and see what we get inside. That's what it looks like when you first open it. It's got like a little instruction booklet there, a little card and a lens cloth, which is probably not a bad idea. And it appears that the actual spotting scope is in another little bag. The case is nicely padded with foam all the way around, which I'm happy with, but let's just put that aside. And this is a little bag that comes inside the case. So I suppose you could just take the scope out like this and it'll be a much smaller form factor depending on what you're doing, but obviously it will be less protected. So let's open it up. There's the tripod. Looks quite sturdy. It does look quite good. And what this also does, and I saw this before, is you can take this off. And this part here can actually mount on your car window. So you can actually mount this on your car window that's wound down, tighten it up, and then you've got that mounted inside your car when you're spotting game, which I think is a really good idea. You can see it there. That's like your pretend car window on the tripod, where this just slips on and you tighten it up, and that works really well. And this is quite padded and it's got rubber there, which hopefully stops your car window from getting damaged. But I think that is a really good idea and makes this really versatile. Now on the range, I'll be using it on its tripod, I guess, just like that. And let's have a look what else is in there. This is really quite well packaged. And I have seen some mixed reviews on this. Some people have said this is great, whereas other reviews say this thing's terrible. So I'm hoping it's great. I'm just going to clear it up once and all for myself. This wasn't the cheapest option, but it's by far not the most expensive option. This would still be considered the budget spotting scope as far as spotting scopes go. Well, there it is. It's got a cover there, which is a great idea, which is attached to the scope so it doesn't get lost. And then it's got a lens cover there, which can get lost, so just be careful with that one. On the eyepiece here is your magnification ring, which goes from 20 through to 40 through to 60. And then you've got your focus adjustment. So it mounts on your tripod there, and then it's adjustable using your little handle there. And you can lock it off into any position. You've got your locking ring here, so you can adjust your different heights on your tripod. And like I said, you can now mount this on your car window. Now, first impressions are pretty good. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I have other Bushnell products already, and that was one of the deciding factors in buying this, as well as the fact that it comes with the hard case and the carry case and the tripod and the glass mount. Like, all these things added together in my decision to go for this particular model rather than something that's a little bit cheaper or even something that's a little bit more expensive. Now, the big factor is how good is the glass. So I can talk about that after I have used it a little bit.
Wow. Yeah, it's horrible looking thing. Right, what's the stock like? I built the stock. Oh, did you? Yeah. Okay.
Now, I have had a bit of a play with it, and I'm very, very pleased with the optical quality. Now, I've got a Bushnell rangefinder, so I have set some ranges outside and tried a few different things. Now, using this spotting scope, I can easily read a number plate on the car, or license plate, or whatever you call it in different countries, on the car at 250 to 300 meters. So if there's a car parked down the street, possibly up to no good, you can get your spotting scope out and you can get a number plate easily at 200-300 meters away. So that's pretty good, I thought. It was quite clear to read. I have taken it to the range, and I've absolutely no trouble spotting a .177 cal hole at 50 meters, which is from my air rifle. And I also have absolutely no issues at all seeing a .22 or 22 caliber hole at 200 meters from my 223. And this is what I bought it for. My local range only goes up to 200 meters. I can travel a little bit more and go to a longer range. But look, I'm not that good a shot, to be honest. For me, 200 meters is plenty. And the size of the animal that you'd be hunting at 200 meters, which would be like a deer-sized animal or a wild pig-sized animal, you'd have no problem spotting any of that. I would recommend this. I'm happy with it. I like the packaging of it. I mean, I like how it comes with the hard case and everything else. I love the window mount and all the different options. I like the tripod. And I also like the fact that it's got a standard size mount on the bottom, so it will fit on any other camera tripod. Pretty much anything that you can mount your camera on, you can mount this on without any adapters or any problems. The glass and optics are great for the price range especially, and I've had no issues or shortcomings with it, so I can highly recommend this. My biggest test always is, would I buy this again if I had a choice of getting this product or another product? And yes, I would definitely buy this product again. No questions asked. Now, if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour and give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is completely free. There's no charge for subscribing, and it really does help me out trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. This is only a very small channel, and the more subscribers I get, the more inclined I will be to make more videos. That's how it works. And if you've got any questions, just leave them down below and I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.